and shout out to you, my Jamaican family, my real Jamaican people. How are you doing? Anyway, guys, I'm back again with another short video, and in this video, we are going to watch our one and only Jamaica, the honor and award day in Jamaica. How our lovely people were awarded for the good they have been doing. Shout out to you all, my Jamaican family, and see you.
Yeah, yeah. From the island sun to the world stage, this is Jamaica. One love forever. From the hills of Blue Mountain to Kingston town, we carry a sound that shake the ground. Bob Marley say, get up, stand up for your rights. Now the whole wide world singing in the night.
From Usain on the track, lightning fast, to the rhythms in the dance that will always last. We small on the map, but we shine so bright, giving the world a little island life.
Jamaica to the world, we bring the love, we bring the fire. Reggae heartbeat, lifting spirits higher. From the beaches to the streets, feel the sunshine in your soul. Jamaica, forever fish on the morning plate, jerk chicken spice make the whole world wait. Patties in the oven, sweet sorrel wine, island flavor standing the test of time.
Colors of the flag flying proud in the breeze, green for the land, gold for victories, black for the strength we've carried so long, and pride in our heart is forever strong.
One island, many voices, from the drum to the bass, the world rejoices. When Jamaica talk, the world a listen. When Jamaica sing, the world a glisten. Jamaica to the world.